Hey guys, Walls here. All right, so we did 3 and 7 in a separate video. Now we're going to talk about infinitive phrases. Let me erase all this stuff so we have room here. So now we need to talk about infinitive phrases. Remember, an infinitive is the word to directly in front of a verb. So an infinitive is always two words, and it's going to be diagrammed a lot like a prepositional phrase. It looks a lot like it, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So let's talk about sentence 4 here. Coach asked us to run 5 laps. My infinitive phrase is to run 5 laps. See, I've got the word to and then run right there. So that tells me I have an infinitive. If it said to the store or something like that, that would be a preposition. Now, my subject is coach, and asked is my verb. Now, this sentence, it has an action verb, so it might have a direct object. We got to look at that. Answer this question. Coach asked what? He asked us to run 5 laps. So to run 5 laps is actually my direct object, making us my indirect object. All right, so let's see how this looks. I'm going to make my plus sign. And I know I need subject here. Coach asked. Okay. Direct objects go after a post right here. Now, here's the tricky thing. I have a phrase as my direct object. So I need to draw what I call a stilt. Now, all infinitive phrases are diagrammed like this. I put the word to right here, and then I put my verb on this flat line. Coach asked to run. Now, he asked us. We got to put our indirect object. Remember, indirect objects always go under the verb and like that. So, coach asked us to run. Now, an infinitive is a verbal. Here it's acting like a noun. It's acting like a direct object. But because it started out as a verb, grammatically, it can have an object. What are we running? Coach asked us to run laps. So I can draw a direct object looking thingy just right there, just like I'd have here. When I say here, I mean like here. Okay. Whoop. All right. Now, the word 5 here describes laps. So this is the key part of this sentence. Whenever you have an infinitive, it's either going to act like something, like be a noun, or act like an adjective or adverb and describe something. Let's see what this looks like on number 10. All right, it says, I would like to pass by Grandma's house. Let's go ahead and look for our subject and verb. I as a subject, let's blow this up a little bit. Would like is my action verb. Okay, what would I like? I would like to pass by Grandma's house. Now notice, this is an infinitive. That's a preposition. So I have a prepositional phrase inside my infinitive phrase. But I don't need to freak out because I already know how to diagram prepositional phrases. So let's get our subject and verb going here. I would like. Okay, what would you like? I would like, this is my direct object, to pass. All right, to pass where? To pass what? In this case, the prepositional phrase modifies my infinitive. So my preposition goes there, the object goes here, and then I have to abbreviate this. I'm going to put Grandma's house. So make sure your number 10 looks like this. Make sure your number 4 looks like that. And yeah, hope this is coming together for you guys. Next, we will start working on our participles and gerunds.